Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Lenovo ThinkPad docking station is showing a blinking orange light, it's usually a sign that something isn't quite right with power delivery or device connection. You might notice that your laptop isn't charging properly, external monitors aren't working, or the dock seems partially active but not fully functional. This blinking indicator is the dock's way of alerting you to a problem, and while it may look serious, it's often caused by simple issues like unstable power, improper connections, or a temporary system glitch. Because docking stations handle multiple functions at once, even a small disruption can trigger this warning light. The good part is that you can fix it quickly by going through a few targeted steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to resolve the blinking orange light on your ThinkPad docking station. Try these. 1. Disconnect the docking station from power and unplug all connected cables. 2. Wait a few moments to allow the dock to fully reset. 3. Reconnect the power adapter properly to the docking station. 4. Plug the dock back into your laptop using the main connection cable. 5. Restart your laptop to refresh the connection. 6. Check the indicator light and confirm it becomes stable.